Don't do dropshipping. Instead, do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been days, but here I am. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we'll be talking about social media marketing agencies, or for short, SMMA. This guide is perfect for beginners, and instead of dropshipping, go for SMA as dropshipping is too saturated. Anyways, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is an SMMA? An SMA, or social media marketing agency, is a business that helps other businesses grow their online presence and engagement through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Essentially, you manage and create content, run ads, and drive engagement for your clients. The best part, you don't need a ton of money to start. Just basic knowledge, a computer, and a reliable internet connection. To start an SMMA, you'll need a few key skills. First, social media usage. Understanding how different platforms work and how to create engaging content. Second, content creation. Skills in graphic design, video editing, and copywriting. Third, advertising. Knowledge of running and managing paid ads on social media. And fourth, analytics. Ability to analyze data to track performance and adjust strategies. Don't worry if you don't have all these skills yet. There are plenty of online courses and tutorials that can help you get up to speed. Next, let's talk about setting up your SMMA. Here are the steps you need to follow. Define your niche. Focus on a specific industry or type of business. This makes it easier to tailor your services and stand out from the competition. Create a business plan. Outline your services, pricing, and marketing strategy. A solid plan will guide you and keep you focused. Register your business. Depending on your location, you'll need to register your business and possibly get a license. Check local regulations. Build your website. A professional website is crucial. It showcases your services, portfolio, and testimonials. Now let's talk about how to get clients. This can be the most challenging part, but with persistence, you'll succeed. Here are some strategies. Leverage your network. Start with people you know. Ask friends, family, and acquaintances if they need social media help, or know someone who does. Offer free services. Offer free trials or discounted rates to your first few clients. This helps build your portfolio and gain testimonials. Cold outreach. Send emails or messages to potential clients. Personalize your approach and explain how you can help their business. Social media presence. Use your own social media profiles to showcase your expertise. Share tips, case studies, and success stories. Once you land your first clients, it's time to deliver results. Focus on setting clear goals. Work with your clients to set measurable and achievable goals. Consistent communication. Keep your clients updated on progress and be responsive to their needs and feedback. Also, do regular reporting. And there you have it, a beginner-friendly guide to starting your own SMMA. Remember, building a successful agency takes time and effort, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve great results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.